But who is this man called Abudallah? Who is he to people of northern Uganda, especially Acholi people? And out of all reasons in Uganda, why I decided to come and attack or intimidate people of northern Uganda, especially Acholi people? Why? So that means Acholi people is what? Is the ESOP target. Eh? That means Acholi people is ESOP target. Eh? That's why I decided to come and attack them or intimidate them in the way you like. In the way you like. For your information, this is Coach Abudallah. I myself am not a politician, and I will not even join politics for the rest of my life. But I must be open to you. I cannot sit and watch your rubbish nonsense, your baseless and hopeless talking. I cannot sit and watch your rubbish nonsense, hopeless and baseless talking about Shuri people. No, 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 no. I cannot persevere it. I cannot tolerate it. I cannot persevere it. I repeat, I cannot tolerate it. And for your information, please, let it be the last of attacking Shuri people. And if you put Shuri people maybe to be your sub target, then you remove Shuri people from your sub target. You replace with another tribes. Otherwise, you will regret of disturbing Shuri people or attacking Shuri people. For us people, we are good guys. But if we decided to take action, you will never like us. Now imagine now, we wouldn't even feel ashamed. You open your mouth and talk about tribalism. Without knowing that Bagana people they are number one in Uganda via tribalism. Who doesn't know? Even a kid of one day is aware that Bagana people they are number one, they're the champion, they're the pioneer via tribalism. And that's why they're just struggling at this moment to change language, to change English language, to change the official language of Uganda from English to Luganda language. Because at this moment, if you go to Kampala, you find all the CDs, the movies, the TV, the FMs, all they use in Luganda. Moreover, in Kampala, all the tribes that are here. We have all the tribes in Uganda, especially Kampala here. But now we find Bagana because of their tribalistic behaviors. They want to change everything to be what? To be in Luganda. Now imagine now. Imagine we have very many tribes here. So is that one not tribalism really? Is that one really not tribalism? Why do you want to change everything to be in Luganda? Now imagine now. At this moment, at this moment, you're not yet given the power. Now, what about if they're given the power? Or what about if you have the power? You are going to change the word official language from English to what to Luganda language. And even you're going to extend the boundary of land from central up to western, from central up to northern, from central up to eastern. So now, is there not tribalism really? If I were you, I cannot even open my mouth talking about tribalism. Because now, if I'm going to ask you, you come to Central, you will not find any tribes apart from Baganda, Wupas, and Anuf. Is there any Munyankule? Is there any Karamojong? Is there any Acholi? Is there any Iteso? Is there any Langi? Is there any Lugwara Wupas and Anuf within Central? Yet they have been contesting, but they failed during what primary election. You are the one who failed them. You are the one who failed them during primary election. That's why you remain on the baganda. If you have any Karamojong here, or Langi, or Lugbara, or Acholi, or Bakonjo, or Bachiga, or Itesu, mention for me the name. Which pass and Anup, mention for me the name. You will not get anyone. They are all Baganda. Is that not tribalism? If I were you, I cannot even open my mouth talking about what tribalism, because you are number one. Your tribe is number one, including you. Hmm? And by the way, for your information, you already even committed an offense. You already committed a crimes. For your information, you already committed a crimes. You already committed the cyber crimes. You already committed what? A cyber crime. Under section 22. Cyber crimes under section 22. Which you were so rude, arrogant. You have been using vulgar language. You were supposed to be in a prison for 2 years. You go and check that thing there. You have already committed what? A crimes. Cyber crimes. Under section 22. You were supposed to be in prison for 2 years. And let me tell you by the for your information. The people you have been abusing them. They are the best people in Acholi region. Without even feel ashamed, you abuse Honorable Boss Migutim. You abuse the King Jaffa. You abuse the the champion. But for your information, let me tell you, Honorable Boss Migutim, in a Churisa prison here, I can compare him with your Kabaka. I can compare him with your Kabaka. The way you Bagana people you respect Kabaka, or the way you give respect to Kabaka, is the same way Acholi people what give respect to Honorable Boss Migutim. Or the same way Acholi people what they love Honorable Boss Migutim. One you abuse Honorable Boss Migutim, you already what? You already abuse the entire Acholi people. For your information, one you abuse Honorable Boss Migutim, you already abuse the whole entire Acholi people. Look, if I were you, or if you're told you are really a normal person, maybe if you have heard about people maybe talking against your party, if you're a wise person and maybe if you're told you're a wise person and you're real politicians, you just come and defend your party in a good way, in a polite way. If you have heard people talk against your party or bad things about your party, if you're a wise politicians, you just come and what, defend your party in a good way, in a polite way. Not again, not again coming and what? Not again coming to scare people or to intimidate people. Hmm? Really? A policeman cannot cannot scare people, cannot intimidate people. The way you have been scaring or intimidating actual people. Hmm? The way you have been scaring or intimidating actual people, the policeman cannot do it. The real policeman cannot do it. If the real policeman what, you can come and what, just talk to people in a good way. He can convince the people. Hmm? He can convince the people in a polite way, in a good way, so that people can love his party. Not like you as with you. Instead of convincing people, you just abuse people, intimidating people. Hmm? Really, who are you really? Who are you really, this man? Let it be the last for your information, to be sincere speaking, to be honest. Let it be the last. Let it be the last. Hmm? And also, I would like to end by sending my humble request and with due respect to the government of Uganda to come and investigate this man. I would like to end here by sending my humble request with due respect to the government of Uganda to come and investigate this man called Kos Abudallah, because it was very clear that people actually they don't know who is he. It was very clear that people actually they doesn't know who is he. And for sure, for us, we don't know who is called Abudallah, who is called Kos Abudallah. So we request the government to come and help us. Not only that, also the same man also we have been talking about that he have been working under the ground in a children's zone. So what kind of work we was doing under the ground? What kind of work? So government in Uganda, this is my humble request to you people. With due respect, please come and rescue Acholi people. Come and rescue Acholi people. We are finished. This man called Kos Abudallah is a Muganda by tribe, and we don't know who is sponsoring him. He's attacking Acholi people. He's scaring or intimidating Acholi people. And it was very clear that Acholi people doesn't know him, who is he. And also at the same time, it was very clear that he had been working under the ground. So now what kind of work he was doing under the ground? We request the government of Uganda to come and help Acholi people, otherwise we are finished with this man here. Thank you very much.